What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ooh That's Gray. Today, as y'all see from that title, we are going to be trying a new hairstyle, which is this. This is the hairstyle. Pray for me. I watched the TikTok 3 times, so I should have it down, right? All right. Anyways, so right now I'm just going to. Well, I've already brushed out my hair and my edges, so we're about to get into it. I'm about to put me on some YouTube. This will be a sped up video. I'll probably slow it down on the parts where I'm doing the knots, just so y'all can see what I'm doing. But I will be watching the tutorial and also recording a TikTok at the same time and recording this at the same time. So just pray for me, okay? Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you do turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts. Y'all be posting 2 times a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. So stay tuned, okay? You only gonna get 2 notifications a week. You can hit that bell. Like, for real. You can hit that bell. Anyways, let's get started with the hair, okay?
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with
it. Okay, so let's take this bang out. I'm trying to record on TikTok too and use it as a mirror. Take this bang out because it's gonna be a swoop. So we need our swoop to be swooping. Okay, so it can't be too far back because I do still have to do the what is it called, the ponytails. So I'm just gonna take that much out. That should be good, and then it'll be like 1, 2, 3. How many they had? Oh, child, don't give me 9. I told y'all I watched the video 3 times. Like, it was really a TikTok. And it was going so fast. And y'all know most wig influencers get their hair done by somebody else. So she was recording, what she could record, anyways. And I learned based off that. So let's see. Okay, let's put this up. Just gonna twist it. Oh, I need to relay my lace down. Actually, okay, so I put my swoop up in a bun, and now I'm going to lay down my lace that's sticking up. I'm just gonna take some even lace spray, the Wonder Lace Bond, and a what's it called? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Shit, the thing and hold it down. Give me a second. I needed the base, y'all. This is the GoPro hairband. If you get the GoPro beauty glue, not beauty glue. If you get the GoPro lace glue, they will send you some HD wig caps and also 2 of these. So definitely a good glue and good company. So let me relay this. Hold on, y'all. I'm okay, so I did all that off camera, so I'm just gonna put the band on and clean it up a little bit. Even though this side will be covered because I'm going to put my swoop over here. So I'm just taking out all the extra hairs so I can lay this down. Okay. Fold that in half and lay. Y'all, there's so much going on right now, and I'm just trying to stay focused and get this fucking video done. It's like every time I try to record a video, something is going on. But we're gonna try to get this done today, okay? So let's just stay focused, okay? Stay focused. All right, so put some of this hair in here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna speed up the rest. Let's spread this out. I'm changing the hairstyle. I don't want to do all them damn things. I'm sorry. I'm finna whip out the hot comb, finna do a high-low with a swoop. Boom. All right, y'all. So since I changed the hairstyle, focus, please. Okay, so since I changed the hairstyle, I'm going to be doing a high-low with a swoop bang. Getting all the hair up from the sides. I think that was it. A couple pieces probably left. I'm gonna put in the ponytail. Yeah, just that. Okay, so the ponytail isn't tight. It's just a placeholder, just so I can mold down my hair with the hot comb and the what's it called? The wax stick. So, and we're gonna go full the Gopher wax stick. 10 out of 10, 10, 10. And then my hot comb. 1 second. Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. But when I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence. I'm blaming on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. Now slow it down for me, baby. 'Cause I love the way it feels when we grind. Yeah, our connection's so magnetic on the floor. Nothing can stop us tonight. Walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence. I'm blaming on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. It don't make no sense. I hear drumming. You know it, you know it. I hear drumming. It don't make no sense. I hear drumming. You know it, you know it. Fellas, grab your ladies if your lady fine. Fellas, she the one for life. Ladies, grab your fellas and let's do this right. Oh, yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Don't it feel so good to be us? Hey, yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Girl, we got it going on. Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Don't it feel so good to be us? Hey, yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. It don't make no sense. All right, y'all. So this is the final style. I'm gonna keep these curls. They were wrong curls that failed, so they're still cute. It's giving real cute. It's giving real cute. Anyways, this is the final look. Make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. I know I didn't try a new style, but I did do a style. Right? Right. So, anyways, hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post. Again, that's every Tuesday and Thursday. Like, comment something nice. What else? Follow my socials, y'all. Follow me on Twitch because I will be streaming soon. Check out my website. Link is below as well in my Beacons link. Check out my website. Got $5 lashes on sale. Mink lashes, y'all. They give this, but these are clusters. But they give this. Okay. So go check them out. Go check them out. Go check them out. All right, yeah. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so grateful for all the people who are supporting me. Thank you for 240 subscribers, y'all. We're on the road to 500. Okay, on the road to 500. Let's get it.